Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the mini Militia game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and simply type in mini Militia and start your search. Once you find the mini Militia game, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Just tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the mini Militia game on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you see the play button, you will be able to tap on it to open up the game right away. And once the game is opened, you can proceed with signing up or creating a new account and also logging in to your existing account to start enjoying the game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the mini Militia game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.